it turns off. Can't see anything. What time is it? Park over there. And then let's see the time.
What's gonna happen?
4:44.
There's a cut off there, no? On that side.
Cut off.
Cut off? Cut off. They're not gonna honor this thing.
Is it done now?
40 in 1 minute.
I'm planting now. Flowers.
Open.
Well, it doesn't have to be Starbucks. Maybe there's someone else. Maybe there's something in there. Well, maybe there's no coffee there. We can just get coffee at
Ferry.
a ferry.
Another terminal here. What is this?
I know it's connected on the other side. See? What is this part?
This is the business side? Business side or what?
Probably,
This
right?
is the second one. The school.
There's people, no? People smoking there. Imagine we didn't walk up. We didn't plan this. This is happening.
It's always happening everywhere. Right now, there's that people in the plane, airplane.
Right? Even at 3
When
a.m.
I'm saying I want to travel because look at this.
Yeah.
Every time we're doing this, it's becoming memorable, no?
It's nice.
It's full now, no? Cut. This I can't go back now.
I think so. There's no people that are walking now. Huh? See that? See that vending machine in front of that? There.
Continuous recording will now start.
Oh, this is them first, no? It goes there from right to left.
Wait, 29 and 28. What's the other side? What's back there, right? Look at the moon.
Maybe Victoria been.
Oh,
It's the 9 one. And the moon.
yeah, right? It's like this people who went here. What time is it?
Sweet, how
5:02. You're saying? But there's people on that side. You know that thing?
That
People
one,
there.
People there right now.
Yeah, working.
I don't think that's 9 to 5 job. It's like 24/7, no?
Yeah.
Even Sundays they work.
Yeah, because there's a lot of ship going there.
Took a picture of the prescription. That's the one here. Glasses.
Oh my God! Stop!
Can you just wear it then? Just stop.
I can hear people honking.
It's a car alarm.
Do that.
Why did this car stop?
Where, right? This is the truck.
Birth.
It's really narrow.
Is that truck really slow though, no?
No, there's car in front of it.
That go down here. See?
Yes, we're on the top deck, so you can stay in the car.
Oh, it's good then.
Oh. How about that one? What is that one? Victoria? Oh wait, we're going that. We're going there. And then in front of us.
I'm gonna record behind. We're gonna play some.
That lady wakes up really early then. Or just right then? Or at least we have one by the window. Or no? Or here then, behind this car. The Volvo? Or the grey?
Behind the Volvo.
Are they moving though?
No, he's backing up or something.
He's got his reverse lights on. He's got his reverse lights on. No, he's reversing.
It's really close.
It was their fault.